There's calls of hurry up right now in the Romania field. You just don't want this frustration, though, to continue to settle in. Of course, they are taking a bit of time between these over, as, of course, Aman comes back into the attack. You'd like to see them be a little quicker so that we can get through these innings. And once again, you can see Zishan here. Oh, there's a huge mix-up over here. But once again, the throw has gone on the wrong end. This is something we saw Malta do a couple of times as well. And if the throw had gone to the bowler at the non-striker's end, I think Zishan was in trouble. He would have probably been gone. As, of course, we need to take another look at this mix-up. Doesn't quite manage to connect to that one as nicely as he'd like. And again, it's an underarm throw. Straight to the keeper, though, when it really needed to be going to the non-striker's end. And he's very, very lucky there, you have to say, Zishan Khan. He was in enormous trouble. I mean, there was a lot of indecision there. I mean, Pushparajan was halfway down the wicket when Zishan Khan even decided to attempt that run. This is a good line and length here by Aman. These last couple of deliveries, just probing the right-hander. Bowling around, middle and off stump. Yeah, just looking to angle that one away from Priyan Pushparajan. Of course, two fielders out in the deep are currently at long on and deep mid-wicket. This one struck away. This is a hit straight to the fielder, and once again, it's a bit of a mix-up. The bowler hasn't quite managed to collect that cleanly, and just these little runs leaking here and there that Romania A can't really afford to do, defending a target of 167. They'll need to be very tight in the field. You saw Malta give up a few bonus runs to Romania A by just allowing a few to slip underneath them in the boundary. And this one goes straight to the fielder, a third man. Very sharp work there by Samid Ul Hassan. Got to that one rapidly. And it's a clean collection. Indeed, Kroom 111 commenting on that run opportunity. I think the information was there. I could hear them shouting non-striker's end, but I think he just blocked that out and wasn't really paying attention to what his teammates were saying, as just looking to hit that one square. Pushparajan, I think we saw him play some nice looking drives earlier, and he might have been better served looking to hit that one on the up, as we know he's capable of, as this over comes to an end. A very